Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making fa gao. Fa gao is a Chinese steamed cupcake. People usually eat it on Chinese New Year. And the fa gao, the top part is like a flower blossom, which has a good sign of the good fortune or get rich. It's like 恭喜发财. So, 新年快乐, Happy New Year. Let's get started. To make 9 muffin size of fa gao, we need 210 grams of brown sugar. For here, I prefer use Taiwanese brown sugar. It smells better than the regular American brown sugar. But you can also use other brown sugar too. And we need 260 grams of water, 300 grams of cake flour, and 12 grams of baking powder. Prepare a saucepan filled with 260 grams of water and boil it. So here is the 300 grams of cake flour and 12 grams of the baking powder. I'm going to use a sleeve to filter it. So here is the 210 grams of brown sugar, and I'm going to pour in the boiled hot water. And mix the hot water and the brown sugar. Make sure it's dissolved. After the sugar dissolved, let the brown sugar water cool down. Okay, after the brown sugar is cooled down, I'm going to pour into the flour bowl. Okay, use a sieve to filter the brown sugar water. And mix it. Okay, make sure the powder, the flour is all dissolved. Do not have any chunk. Prepare 9 small balls. The top is wider than the bottom. The opening part is bigger than the button, so the shape of like this. Okay. I'll pour in each container with the cupcake wrapper. Yeah. I'll fill to 90%. It's about 90. The other one. The bonus tip is use a toothpick and dip with oil and give it a line like this. And when the blossom started, it will easier to break like this direction. Okay, use a steam pot. Fill like half water and boil it. Okay. When the water is boiled, put the fa gao inside. Cover with the lid. Use medium heat to steam for 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, let's see the pha kao. Wow, it really blossomed very well. Take out the pha kao. Alright, so this is today's pha kao. It's very easy, only need 3 ingredients. You can easily make it at home. And the texture is sweet and soft like a spongy, moisturizing cake. Hope you enjoy our video today. Happy New Year! And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time!